back to our Durmapress channel. This is Yuki. Today we would like to share with you our 3 press brake model. Let's have a look.
Hello, this is Susan from Durmapress. Nice to meet you. Let me introduce the CNC system. This is a basic system. Name is DA66S controller. It can control up to 4+1 axes, and it includes the angle programming and the database, meeting your bending requirements with higher precision and straightness.
Hi everyone, let's have a simple introduction of our DA153TX. Compared with the DA153, it upgraded into a big screen and aid 2D programming and bending simulator into the basic of the DA153T, and compared with the 4+1 axis of DA153T, the DA153TX can upgrade into 6+1 axis.
Hello everyone, I'm Celine from Durmapress. This is DA66S. Comes with a 24 HD touchscreen, 2D 3D graphic programming, and advanced safety feature, ideal for complex applications.
Okay, so much for today. If you are interested in our press brake, you can click the link and enter our website. We are looking forward to your inquiry. Bye bye.